When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
yet quiet and incredibly smart. The PAC-EX 390 evenly and efficiently lowers room temperature. Cool Surround Smart Sensing feature monitors temperature and humidity around the unit and the remote, adjusting automatically to maintain the set temperature around you. Cool and dehumidify without disruption, and save energy up to 30% with Eco Real Feel.
This Whynter ARC 122 DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode. A convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump out moisture through the included 16.5-foot drain tube for continuous condensate removal. Equipped with an exhaust and intake hose, this dual hose system helps eliminate negative air pressure, which allows for more efficient cooling. It can also be operated as a single hose system by simply removing the intake hose. This PAC includes a washable pre-filter as well as an activated carbon filter that removes smoke and odors. Here's how easy a PAC can be to set up. All Whynter portable air conditioners include a complete setup kit for exhausting through a standard vertical or horizontal sliding window. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. When the unit is operated in dehumidify or fan mode only, installation of the exhaust hose is optional. Pull to extend about 6 inches of one of each of the hoses. Install the small slide-in connector and small cutout connector onto the small exhaust hose by turning counterclockwise. Install the large slide-in connector and large cutout connector onto the large intake hose by turning clockwise. Fix one end of the intake and exhaust connectors onto the rear ports of the unit by sliding the connectors into each slot. The window slider kit is designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal sliding windows. Insert the fixtures through the back grooved side of the window slider bars with the hole cutouts. Line up the 4 screw holes and tighten the fixtures with 4 screws from the front of the panel. To install, open the window approximately 5 inches. Adjust the length of the window slider bars to fit the length or width of the window opening. You may need to purchase additional slider bars if your window is oversized. Close the window on the window slider kit. Move the PAC to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the other end of each hose to the window slider bar. Align the hose connector cutouts of the tabs to the fixtures and snap the hoses to the window slider kit. Portable and easy to set up, Whynter dual hose portable air conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning.
Heat, dry air, and allergens? Not in this house. AC that's hassle-free to set up, plug in, and with a push of a button, connect to Wi-Fi. Adjust your fan speed, choose your mode, and adjust to your desired temperature to your liking. Introducing the SereneLife air conditioner with adjustable fan, so it's always blowing right where you need it. The remote control makes for convenient power on or off and adjusting settings. Sleep well with a low noise level motor. With its portable capability, enjoy fresh, cool air wherever you need it. In the bedroom, office, or in the garage, things can really heat up. Keep cool with the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner with built-in dehumidifier, remote control, and complete window exhaust kit for rooms. Order yours on Amazon today.
Powerfully and efficiently lower room temperature with the stylishly designed EM360 portable air conditioning unit. Mindfully made with eco-friendly gas, it quickly and quietly cools medium-sized rooms with less wasted energy. Enjoy user-friendly features like simple setup and a programmable timer. A washable dust filter keeps allergens away. Achieve optimal comfort with 3 adjustable fan speeds to meet your cooling needs.